Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: battery level, current OS, and your passcode, because Face ID setup requires it. Tap Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. Once done, choose Set up Face ID and hold the device at eye level, about 10-20 inches away, so the true depth camera can map your face. Make sure the area is evenly lit. Avoid direct backlight. This gets sensors ready and establishes the first scanning phase quickly and reliably. Now you'll perform the detailed capture. Place your face inside the frame and slowly move your head in a circular motion, following the on-screen guide. Complete 2 full scans. This motion records varied angles and depth, which improves recognition accuracy. Make sure to include natural variations, slight smiles, different jaw tilt, so Face ID learns robust features. If prompted for an alternate appearance, add it now. This helps with major style changes, like consistent hats or glasses you wear often. Finish by tapping Done, then lock and unlock to confirm reliable recognition. If unlocking fails repeatedly, go back to Face ID settings and try Reset Face ID, then repeat the setup with steady lighting. Make sure nothing covers the true depth camera, clean it, and remove cases or screen protectors that sit over the sensor. If problems persist, restart the device and attempt setup again. If still unresolved, contact support for hardware diagnostics. One quick tip: test in varied lighting before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.